Hello everyone, my name is Chandrasekhar. Welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'll talk about one of the very important thing which is in mind of every DevOps engineer. How to transition your career to AI DevOps engineer. What is AI DevOps engineer? What are the benefits of becoming AI DevOps engineer? And what if I do not switch my career to AI DevOps engineer? In my today's video, I'll try to clarify all your doubts. To please stay till the end of this video to have a good understanding of this. And if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that my videos could reach to wider audience and everyone can get benefited. Thank you everyone. So let's start understanding the the transition from DevOps to AI DevOps career. Why do you need it? That also we'll talk about. But first, let's try to understand what is AI DevOps engineer. Commonly, we say AI DevOps engineer as AI Ops engineer also. So this is very much important for you in today's in 2026 as AI is advancing. Transitioning from DevOps to AI Ops is getting very much important. But you need to have a proper career path. So to understand that, first let's try to understand what sort of expertise you will need in order to have this transition, in order to initiate this transition. So the first thing which you need to understand is how to build, deploy, and manage AI and ML models. That is very much important. Also, the key steps will include the learning of AI fundamentals, various types of models, various types of prompts, various types of tokens which are there. Understanding of those AI fundamentals will be very much important. Parallelly, you already had understanding of containerization models such as Docker, Kubernetes, which you have already done being a DevOps engineer. Those models, containerization models, also going to play a vital role whenever we talk about AI, ML ops infrastructure. Also, you need to have understanding of how to integrate how to adopt GitOps for AI. You need to understand how to use some of the very important commonly used AI tool at this point of time. Some of the examples are GitHub Copilot. Basically, whenever you talk about shifting your career from DevOps engineer to AI DevOps engineer or AI Ops engineer, we talk about shift of role from manual configuration, which we did till now, being a DevOps engineer, to more intelligent configuration, the configuration which can self-heal, which can produce self-heal systems. Now, let's talk something about what should be your transition roadmap whenever you're talking about it. So the first thing which you need to understand is you need to you need to bridge the skill gap which you had till now being a DevOps engineer, which you must have to become one AI DevOps engineer. You need to have understanding of some of the AI fundamentals. You need to have understanding of models, prompts, and what all are the tokens and how the tokens are getting used in these models. You need to understand generative AI concepts, LLMs, prompt engineering such as Olama, Hugging Face, and how these things serves various types of models. These are not super complicated, very easy. Plenty of videos are there. Please provide your comments in my video below so that I can provide you links of all the documentation, various types of videos which is present in YouTube at this point of time. Also, you must understand how AI ML ops infrastructure could be built. Till now, you have used containerization model a lot. Now you have to apply containerization orchestration tools such as Kubernetes for ML models. You have to manage and optimize GPU resources. One of the very important thing which you have to do is you have to automate, but this time you have to automate intelligently. Now the day has gone when we write everything, all the scripts, pipeline scripts, everything manually. That is gone. Now we started using a number of different AI tools such as GitHub Copilot, which does quite the same thing, which we did manually once upon a time. Now you need to integrate AI agents. One of the AI agent which is widely used to automate CI/CD pipeline is Creo AI. You have to work on automated testing and also you have to work on AI driven monitoring. But again, these all automation has to be done intelligently. Certain tools certainly you need to learn, you need to master, such as Olama, Hugging Face, Docker, Kubernetes. Anyways, you will have knowledge since you have worked as a DevOps engineer in past. You need to have good understanding of GitHub Copilot. If you're working on AWS, then you need to have understanding of Amazon Q Developer, and certainly Creo AI to work on CI/CD pipeline automation. Now, one of the very important question which my students ask me, what are the core responsibilities when I become a AI DevOps engineer? Till now, I've served well being a DevOps engineer, worked on software development, lifecycle automation, creating pipelines, using a number of DevOps tools to create those pipelines. So being a AI DevOps engineer or AI ops, what will be the core responsibilities? To the first responsibility which you will have being a AI ops engineer is ML ops implementation. Till now you have built the pipeline, but you have built the pipeline for application deployment. Now you have to build the pipeline to automate the life cycle of machine learning models. Whenever you are doing that, you have to use AI, and this AI will be used to analyze all the logs, all the matrices for real-time issue detection. You have to you have to build infrastructure for AI. You have to set up scalable and cost efficient infrastructure. Maybe you are trying to build on AWS, maybe you are trying to build on Azure. You have to build a scalable infrastructure which can serve these AI applications. You must use AI agent management as well, which will be which will be able to break down all the tasks, which can plan things for you, which can execute things for you without any human intervention, without any human oversight. Certainly, there should be a transition strategy for that. There should be a transition strategy for that whenever you are trying to switch from the career. If you follow all the steps which I mentioned, certainly it's going to be helpful for you. One of the very important thing which you need to understand is, why should I transition from DevOps engineer? I have to, but why I should do this? This is also a very important thing which my students ask me a lot. So you have to transition from DevOps engineer. You must transition from DevOps engineer to AI ops engineer. Why? Because this is very much necessary to move from manual scripting, which we are doing till now, to more intelligent, to more automated operations, which is a part of, which is one integral part of AI ops. With this shift, you will be able to enhance system reliability. You will be able to automate incident responses. You will be freeing up engineers so that they can focus on more strategic tasks rather than working on all the tedious troubleshooting. They will be able to effectively future proof their careers as cloud platform by integrating it with AI. This is very much important. With the advancement, with the transition from DevOps to AI DevOps, this is going to help you a lot in evolving your career. The role which I'm talking about, AI Ops, also known as AI DevOps, is evolving to focus more on AI agents and agent experiences. This is much more than just manually doing configuration, just manually creating all the configuration. With this transition, you will be able to work on infrastructure shift. All the cloud platforms are becoming AI platforms now. This is helping to get expertise in managing both infrastructure and AI powered monitoring as well. Whenever you're trying to migrate some of the things which you have to focus, and I'm putting emphasis on this because this will be very much important. You have to work on AI ML fundamentals. You need to understand machine learning. You need to understand neural models, AI agents properly. You need to work on tools framework. You need to learn more AI friendly tools like Creo AI for agentic AI. For library management, you have to work on TensorFlow or maybe PyTorch if you are if you are working towards the library management for agents. You have to work on data handling. You have to work on platform specialization. If you need to have more detailed videos on these things, if you want to have more tools specific to each scope which I discussed about, in transition strategy which I discussed about, please post your comments in this video so that I can provide you more details on top of it. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Do share my video with others. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe it.